in political science for class 11 today. The topic is presiding officers of the parliament. Presiding officers of the parliament means in the parliament, in both the houses, in Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha, whenever the meeting takes place, the session takes place, that is to be headed by someone, and that head is called the chairperson, and the chairperson in Lok Sabha is called the speaker, and in Rajya Sabha he is simply called chairman or chairperson. Chairperson we say because sometimes a lady can also be the chairman. The chairman it doesn't suit, the chairperson is the better word. So the speaker of Lok Sabha and the chairman of Rajya Sabha, these are the presiding officers who presides over the meetings in the different houses or in both the houses of the parliament. Alright, and they are elected, chairperson and the deputy minister, not deputy minister, the speaker. These chairpersons are elected from amongst the members of the houses only, separately. Okay, and at present the speaker of Lok Sabha is Shri Om Birla, and the chairman of Rajya Sabha is the Vice President Shri Venkaiah Naidu. Now, what are the functions of the speaker? There are very important functions to be performed. So, as a speaker, he has to perform various functions, like he presides over the meetings of Lok Sabha and decides who will speak when. Okay, the number and the order is made, and accordingly that is to be followed. Now, which member will come and speak in the Lok Sabha. Then all the bills passed by Lok Sabha are to be signed by him for the authenticity before going to the Rajya Sabha. We know that if a bill is passed in one house, then it is to be sent to the other house to be passed. But before it is sent to the other house, it is to be signed by the speaker. Okay, then he interprets, explains, decides whether the bill is a money bill or an ordinary bill. Okay, because money bill will originate only in Lok Sabha, and ordinary bill, non-money bill, can originate in any of the houses. Then he maintains decorum. Decorum means the discipline in the house, and sometime when the situation is out of control, he can use the muscle power of the marshals. Marshals are the people who will help in controlling the situation. They are physically strong people. Okay, and he is ex officio chairman of some committees of the house, like rule committee. Ex officio chairman means he is not the member of that committee or of that group, but he will head the meeting as the chairperson. That is called the ex officio chairman. Ex here is related to external. He is not the part of that, but under his supervision and control and his chairmanship only, the meeting will take place. Then in case of a deadlock means a proposal is passed by one house but not passed by the other house, and we all know that a bill is to be passed by both the houses. Then it will be sent to the president for his signature to take the shape of an act. But in certain cases, one house is in favor and the other house is not. Then joint sitting is called. Joint sitting means the members of Lok Sabha and Rajya Sabha come together and then voting takes place. So here the speaker will preside over the meeting of both the houses and not the chairman of the Rajya Sabha. Okay, so he enjoys the superiority in joint sitting meeting. Then in case in case a bill is not passed by the majority in the house and 50% people are agreeing and 50% are not agreeing, so there is no majority. So in such cases his vote is very important and is known as casting vote. So he can cast his vote to break the tie, or that is called tiebreaker. Alright, so these are some of the important functions of the speaker. Now we take the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha, and you all know the chairperson of the Rajya Sabha is always the vice president. Okay, and the deputy chairperson of Rajya Sabha is elected. There is no election for the chairperson of Rajya Sabha. Automatically whoever is the vice president of the country will become the chairperson or chairman of Rajya Sabha. But the deputy chairperson of Rajya Sabha is to be elected, and he will be elected from amongst the members of the house only. Alright, and the vice president is the ex officio chairman of Rajya Sabha. Again, the same thing. Here the vice president is not the member of Rajya Sabha, but he will be the chairman or presiding officer of Rajya Sabha. So that is why he is called ex officio. He not the member of Rajya Sabha, and he is also to see all those functions like those of the speaker of Lok Sabha, to see the decorum, etc. Okay, and Sri Venkaiah Naidu is the chairman, and Sri Harivan Narayan Singh, okay, is the deputy chairman of Rajya Sabha. Now we take the committee system in parliament. Committee system, for the smooth functioning and proper functioning of the legislature, many committees are formed, and these committees are formed to monitor, to see, to advise, to guide, and to perform the functions and take the actions, okay, related to those matters that cannot be handled directly by the legislature due to their volume or so much of work. Alright, and they are formed from amongst the members of the parliament only, okay, to study, deal, monitor and recommend the things to the legislature. And they are of two types: standing committees and ad hoc committees. Standing committees are the committees that work permanently for the complete term, and ad hoc committees are temporary, like ad hoc period, temporary. They are formed for a specific issue or problem or situation, and when that issue is over, solved, settled, then automatically such committees are cease to exist. For example, business committees, committees on petition, committees on privilege, committees on rules, etc. These are some of the examples of ad hoc committees. And standing committees, as I told you, these are the permanent committees. Okay, and the members of such committees are from both the houses, to examine the bills pertaining to the concerned ministries. For example, financial committees, public accounts committee, committee on public undertakings, etc. are some of the permanent committees or standing committees. Standing means committee, not the other way. Alright? So these are the things about the committee system in the parliament and the presiding officers of the parliament, the speaker and